Let me share something very quick. So if you have your one coin or you have the money you just want to remove in terms of cryptocurrency, it's very easy. You can withdraw using the BITGET. And once your money is in BITGET, then you can just direct them to the M-PESA in a very easy way. So this is how you actually have to do it. Or probably when you have money and you want to transact either to in a crypto way, you can deposit the BITGET and direct them to any platform that you just want. All these processes are very easy. All you just have to do is make sure that you have the BITGET account that is verified. Verify your account, complete the KYC, all those things to make sure that your account is verified, just like the mine that I have here. Now, you do just be verified when you just click there to that tick. Okay, now the next thing is to just click the asset. The asset is actually down here where you can see on the right side down, and then you just go, you can see you have different things here. Now when it comes to hand fund, that means it like deposit, and when it comes to withdraw, it's actually like withdrawing money. But remember, when you just want to withdraw here, you just click withdraw, and then you can just see which one would you want to withdraw from this. I can click this asset and it can withdraw. That means you can send to any crypto platform that is accepting crypto, or to anyone that when you have the wallet address, and you can click on chain withdrawer, and then this is why you can paste for example the TRC address here, and then crypto will just be sent to the platform that you just want. So that is one of the doing that. The other method is where you can transact to someone for free. If you have the BITGET account, I can just give you the crypto for free. I can send for example, when you send someone who has the crypto account, I click withdraw, and probably when you just click Ethereum, it is called internal transfer. If someone has a BITGET account, you can transfer crypto to them with zero fee. If any amount, you can just transact with zero fee, and they will not be charged anything when you send them through the BITGET account. Now, those are the ways that you can just withdraw. If you want to withdraw money to your M-PESA, this is going to be very easy as well. All you just have to do, come here where it is written and fund. But before that, you can see something written transfer. For you to withdraw to M-PESA is going to be very easy. If your money is in the spot wallet or any wallet, all you actually have to do is to make sure that you transfer them to the funding wallet. Or you can just do here, for example, let's say my money is on the M-Features. You can see I am going to click funding wallet. You can see the funding wallet is down, and this money is just like that. You can select the amount. Let me first reverse this so that I can confirm now. Now you can see now I don't have money in my for now I don't have money in my funding wallet. All I can just do is to transfer. You can see it is from spot to wallet, funding wallet. So funding wallet has to be down if your money is in other wallet. So all I click is I click confirm, and now you can go proceed now and go to the end fund, and you can see you can deposit even through the bank, where you can add your details here. Deposit through like local currencies, where you can deposit either USD or Euro USD, Euro, and then you can just convert them, and you can just be having this money in your BITGET account. Also the third-party and the cash transfer. But all those methods, let me just show you the quick one, which is for someone who just want quick money. And you can go to the P2P. If you go to the P2P, you can either buy through someone peer-to-peer trading. You can either buy, and what do you consider? You just consider like someone who has done many orders, and the percentage number of orders that someone has done. For example, you can see our first guy here, he has the name, and you can see he has done 42 orders, and he has done 100%, and he is online, and you can buy up to $10, which is equivalent to 133. I think that is like 9.8 USDT. Yeah, so you can just click buy, you send him money, and make sure that you complete the processes so well, and then it will send you the crypto when it confirms that you have sent money. If you want to sell like me here, you can just come to the sell button that is above here, and then you can just select how much amount of money, considering an equivalent. Like let's say I just want to select someone who has done like so many orders here, and he has good percentage, and he is accepting with my minimum. For example, here I have $250, which is around 34,000. So someone who can accommodate, like for example, this one has done 96 order with a 90% completion rate, 94%. So all these people are actually good. I can sell to them and they are going to send money. For instance, you can see this one is accepting 135.2. That is the buying rate. He is buying my USDT at that rate. You can just buy from that. There's the first guy here, but I think let me just try and see the limit that we have here. I can sell to him, and or you can just click on the amount and you can see he's going to send me how much. 34,233. All you just have to do now is to make sure that you have your methods of payment. If you don't have one, like here, you can come where it is written M-PESA and all that. If yours is not there, make sure that you come here and whether it is paybill where you just want your money to come from. For example, I can search M-PESA here, or M-PESA paybill. Okay, I can just type paybill. Okay, it's just going to be appearing here, and then you can just select and hand. For example, here you can just add the names that you expect from that, and then you sell with all that, and you're going to receive this amount. The moment you just receive this amount, that is the time now you can confirm that you have received money. If you have not received, don't either confirm. And the moment you just do that, you can be receiving money. Is how you can just sell from that. For the practical side, I can just upload the full video. You can see you can sell Ethereum, USDC, BGP, DAI, Wound coin. Also the prices are here, because you can see you can sell up to someone who is buying currently at 633. You can sell them around this area, and it's actually going to be very simple. So that's how you can deposit money to the BITGET account and withdraw money from your BITGET account. If you don't have account, make sure that you open one, and all this process is actually going to be very, very simple. My link is in the profile of this video. We just want to have the BITGET account. Make sure that you open to that, and then I'll just be sending 50, 100 USDT to random people. You'll be using my link. I'll see you in the next time.